Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to share the information to execute the lab programs on design and analysis of algorithm. So to execute the lab program design and analysis, I explain you how we can use a Java language to implement this. So according to the syllabus, the requirement to execute your program on this design and algorithm is using two components. The two components we are used here are, one is Java language, and to develop that Java language we required an editor. So that editor is IDE. We call it as a IDE. So to develop the language Java, we required a software. So before going in details with the explanation of the program, how it is going to be executed, first we need to set up the system for the execution. For that setup, we require some of the software to be installed in our system, and then we need to go for the execution. So here the components are JDK, Java Development Toolkit, or Java Development Kit, so which is used to develop your Java language. And here we are using the IDE. So IDE is an editor where it is used as a platform to develop your language. So the IDE here we are used as Eclipse. So this Eclipse is very compatible to the development of the Java language as an editor. So I'm going to explain you both the installation here. So first, friends, we'll start with the search engine, that is Google. So here I'm going to search for the download of the Java JDK tool. Download JDK 1.8 for your Windows 10. So once I click on this, I will get all this set of links here. In that links, I will click on the first link. The first link, it will take you to the next page. In the next page, initially you will get all these informations regarding the software. So I will scroll down the page here. So while scrolling down, so you are getting here set of executable or tar, the RPM, all these files are nothing but executable files depending on the operating system that are in use in your system. So my system operating system is Windows 10. So here in the Windows 10, there are two options are given, or two different executable files are given. This again depends on your processor bits. So if your system supporting the 64 bits, then the last option has to be selected to download. So mine is a Windows 10 64-bit processor. So I'm going to in downloading the this software for installation. So here the next box that is appear, it is for your agreement acceptance from the launcher. So just I will click on this button will activate. So if you click on this button, it will start downloading executable files, and it will start it will save in the respective directory. So here I'm not going to click on this button because it is already installed in my system. So what I will do is, just I will show you the process screenshots that I have gone through with this while downloading this. So once you click on this button, directly it will start downloading, and it will store in the download directory. So once it is stored in the download directory, I hope that you are visible here. That JDK icon tool, that is downloaded one. So you need to click on this icon. So once you click on this icon, so just it will ask for the permission to the system to go for the further process. So you have to click on yes, but I'm not going to click on yes because it is already installed in my system. So what will happen the next process once you click yes on there? So the next process here is, so after downloading, the second process here is, once you click on yes, this dialog box will appear here. So this dialog box, once it is appear, so you have to click on the next button here. Just click on the next button. Once you click on this next button, it will go through with the custom process or the custom setup in your language, for your language. So in that case, this box will appear. So in this box, you are watching here this the program files that you are going to execute. That is nothing but C program files, Java, JDK. So whether you are comfortable with this installation and this storage of directory is well in this directory, so you can go directly to click on the next button. Other you can go for change, but I am not done anything here, just I clicked on the next button. Once you click on the next button, installation process starts. So installation process will take you on some of the important nodes, and just click on OK button here, and then again along with the JDK to make the compatibility with your editor. So it will install one more directory called as JRE. So this JRE also it is going to ask you, so whether the same directory is well and good. So if it is well and good, just go and click the next button. And when you click on the next button, the last dialog box for the installation, so that is close. So once you click on the close button, so then the process completes. So whether the completed process has been done in your system or not, so to check that, just click on your command prompt. So once you click on your command prompt and just give the command as java hyphen version hyphen version. So once you click on this, you will appear with this kind of details that your installment is done well and good here. So once you completed with this cross check, so next you have to go for setting the environment variable. So the environment variable setting can be done by going through your control panel. So once you go through with the control panel, so you will find with the system security options. So click on that. In that system security, one more option is there, system. So click on that system, and in that system there are so many options. In that, click on the advanced system setting. So in the advanced system settings, so you are getting this box system property, and click on the environment variable and set the path here. So to set the path, what you have to do, the respective data where you are stored in the program files, that directory's path has to be copied here. So what you have to do means, just environment variable, click on this option path you are getting in the system variable, edit. This box will appear. So create new, space will create here. So just you're visible here, the path what I have saved, it is already done. So in your system it will be not available, you are going it for first time. So just to do so, what you have to do, so just go through your file where actually the file exists. In the program file, one folder is created Java. In Java there is JDK. In JDK the bin, and right click here. So you have to copy the address and you have to place that in this new space whatever available here. I'm not doing this because it is already set. Similarly, you have to do it for JRE also. Once you're done with this, just go OK on it, and then you have to create for the path variables to your respective system. The path variable for the respective system, what you have to do, I did it as java underscore home, and always this path variable name should be in the caps including underscore here. So then when you click on this new, this box will appear, new system variable creation box will appear. Here you have to just type the java underscore home in caps, and here you have to copy the path where JDK is available. Until they're not including bin here, you have to JDK directory file has to be get copied and paste here. So if you go for pasting here, this variable name and the directly path directory has been set here, and then click on OK. This button will get activated. Click on OK. So then once you done all these things, so just go OK button here. Go OK button here, and then close the system window what you have opened here. And once you do so, then this sets the Java installation process completes. Okay, so once the Java installation process is completed, the next thing you need to worry about the second component. So that I said the environment. So how to set the environment here? So same thing, you have to go for downloading here. So I download the IDE Eclipse Lunar, so which is very comfortable and very adjustable to the system very fast. So download Eclipse Lunar for Windows 10 64-bit. Just click on this, so you will get this set of information. In this set of information, so just check this link, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So click on this link and it will give you the set of links to download. So in that set of links, as I told you before, that mine is a 64-bit processor, so I need to click on this button. Once I click on this button, so it will ask for downloading space, so I will click on this save. Once I click on this save, what will happen means, in the download directory, so here in the download directory, you are downloaded with the zip file. Okay, so once you click on this zip file, so it will take you inside, but you have to extract that before using the file inside the zip file. So I will click on this extract button. So once I click on this extract button, the respective file, zip file, is extracted in the form of this. Okay, so then click on this. So once you click on this Eclipse button, so here all the configuration, everything is done. So just click on the icon that is given, that is for creation of the workspace as well as the page for the development of your Java language. So click on this. So once you click on this, the page is going to be open here. So it will take a little bit time. So it is asking for the same path for the workspace creation for respective execution. So just click on OK here. Once you click on this OK, so now it is going to take you to the page here. So once you do this, so it is taking process here. So see, just it has been executed here. So it is already, I have created it. So already I have installed, so let it be like that only. So just go through file. If you want to create a new data or new program, develop the Java program, so just go on the new folder here and a new option here, and then it will take you to the sub option. So in the sub option, you have to click on the project. If you click on the project, it will ask for the creation of new project here. So just click on this Java project only and go for the next button. Once you go for the next button, the respective package you want to create on that, so that it will ask his name. So I will take it as Java one package name, project name. So in that project name, you need to create a class. So just click on finish. So once you click on finish, so here you will create it with that folder here. So just click on that. There is two sub directories are there and files are there. One is src and library system. So click on src, right click and go for new, and to have a new page on the execution, so just click on class here. Once you click on class, it is asking for your program name. So just I will give you hello, finish. Okay, so it will create you the new file. So in this new file, you can type your respective code for the execution. So the first code, I will try to write it as welcome to something here. So copy and just I will paste it here. So here, once the class is created, and that class should have the main function, because always the execution control start from main. So main function is been given, and where the main function, in which class the main function is exists, that name and your file name should be same. And just I will write it as just I want to display the message as welcome for the output for this program. So just I will click it on go for run. uh, Go for run. So once you run this, see here the console window you will appear here, console window. So in that console window, so you will get the output welcome. So you have seen it will give you the welcome output here. So once the welcome, see here you are getting the output as welcome. This is a console window. The whatever the program or whatever the creation you had done in this window, so that run the program and it will be appear as a output welcome. Okay, so like this you can develop any kind of Java program in this window, and you can execute the program. So this is the information you required initially to set up the system for execution of Java program. So in next video, just I will go for your program explanation. So just I hope you like this video. So please click on the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.